Forget Samsung Super Zoom, new Android flagship brings revolutionary telephoto camera. We're heading toward the end of 2023, and you may think that all smartphone launches are now behind us, but a couple of Chinese companies have taken the challenge to prove you wrong. We're expecting the official reveal of the Nubia RedMagic 9 Pro in the Honor 100 series, as well as the subject of today's article, the Realme GT 5 Pro. Now, those of you who follow the Chinese smartphone market closely already know that the vanilla GT 5 version went official in the Far East on September 4th, but since then Realme has been teasing the Pro model as an industry-changing device. Today, on its official Weibo page, Realme lifted a part of that curtain, showing some of the camera capabilities of the Realme GT 5 Pro. And it seems that the Galaxy S24 Ultra now has a real competitor on the horizon. Will the S24 Ultra Super Zoom survive this upcoming battle? Let's see what we extracted from this little, bizarre camera announcement. Hail the new telephoto king? The main talking point of the announcement was the periscope telephoto camera of the GT 5 Pro. It features an IMX890 sensor made by Sony with a 1/1.56 size and a 50MP resolution, coupled with QBC, quad Bayer coding where 4 adjacent pixels capture one color only, and Pixel 4 1-pixel binning on top of that. This sensor was unveiled a year ago as a capable upper mid-range solution, primarily for the main camera of upper mid-rangers and even some flagships, such as the OnePlus 11. It's worth noting that using QBC to capture a single color with 4 pixels, coupled with pixel binning, does improve low-light sensitivity and has the potential to produce great low-light shots. It's a great base platform. The telephoto of the Realme GT 5 Pro supports 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 120x super zoom. Putting such a large sensor in a periscope camera has a price, literally, and according to Realme, it's the most expensive periscope zoom camera in a smartphone. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 plus IMX 890 equals? The other part of the equation is, of course, the latest silicon from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Xiaomi already launched its 14 series in China, sporting the aforementioned processor, but we still don't know much about the ISP capabilities of the new chip. Realme teases a new, super light and shadow engine, that utilizes the full capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. From what we can deduce out of the Chinese translation, it's an enhanced HDR mode. The new silicon can process a single image 44% faster than the previous model, too. The Realme GT 5 Pro supports dual HDR technology at the telephoto end for the first time. This could lead to some decent telephoto images with nice dynamic range and also better night telephoto pictures. The cherry on top is the collaboration of Realme with ArcSoft, an AI firm specializing in image processing, so there's also that. Realme GT 5 Pro rumored specs. Size and weight 160.84 by 78.09 by 7.65 mm, 240 grams. Display 6.78 inches OLED, 144 Hz. Processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. RAM, storage and price 16/256 of a gigabyte. Software Android 14 with Realme UI on top. Cameras 50MP main camera, Sony's lead T808. 50MP telephoto, Sony IMX890, 3x optical, 6x lossless, 120x super zoom. 32 megapixels selfie camera. Battery size 5400 mAh. Charging speeds 100W wired. 50W wireless. Conclusion and afterthoughts. The Realme GT 5 Pro will launch in China in the following days, and we'll know for sure how capable its telephoto camera really is when we snap some samples with it. We have to be hugely skeptics, as many times phones from the Far East rely on big claims and numbers in the specs sheet, while the end result is not that spectacular. That being said, it will be very interesting to see such a big sensor with QBC tech and pixel binning work under a telephoto lens.